It looks like a team of 3. Okay, not looking the best.
Hey guys, huddle up real quick. This is our match to lose. Let's go out there and not give it away like a fucking 3-cent hooker, alright? I mean that. We're in control of our own destiny. We can do this. Oh, point blank skewer miss. Oh my god, that dude might be. Actually, we might be in a lot of trouble from the gameplay I just saw. Might be in
triple kill, no big deal. Just hold it down, kill the camo guy. One shot over there. A tunnel.
There's three. I gotta run! Couldn't even run right. Couldn't even run right, fatty! All up on C, huh?
No, y'all are all 0 and 2. I just letting you know.
Hey man, we're trying over here, alright? Hey, I'm not going to anymore, bitch.
There's a BR right there, dude. Okay. Let's see. Someone grab the BR. I fell off.
Oh shit, behind me.
Alright, I'm nading him. Go for camo.
Got one, got two, third one on it, third got away.
I'm gonna get him. Bastard. He's got camo. Right here.
Finish them all for me? Oh, and then behind you again, behind us. Oh, it's camo. He just went to C, camo on C, don't chase.
Oh my gosh.
How did you kill me that quickly, bro? How did you kill me that quickly? I mean, was that above a perfect? What the fuck was that? That was a glitch. That was crazy. I ain't never seen nothing like that before.
I had no shields.
Alright, man. I'm waiting for you.
Well, all dude has skewer on top.
Oh, yeah, he skewered me. I was hiding, crouched like a bitch, and he still skewered me. Hey, 0-6, 0-5. Can y'all maybe try to get a kill? I mean, I don't mean to come off.
It ain't happening.
I'm a little peeved from just a bunch of sack of shit teammates in a row. But you know. Going underground. Going for mid underground.
Did he burn the camo? Oh, it's on top. Shit.
I can't believe I survived that. That's so ballsy. Nice camo. One more back there. Got him. One down here. Got him. Up there. Oh, fuck. Still right there. Damn, that dude's one hit on the left. Good. It's the Juggernaut, bitch. Hey, and we're actually pulling ahead. Good job, other two guys, not dying as much. Good shit. I'm talking about. Middle, up top. Two. One high.
Back up, run. Come over here. I see his ass.
Skewer up, camo up. He's on camo, one hit on camo, and he's fucking gone. Piece of shit. I suck so bad with the skewer, man. I suck so bad with the skewer. It's crazy.
They're up.
I gotta save somebody's life. Ooh, okay, getting a little bit better. Alright.
An eye for an eye.
Fuck, he's one hit on my X. Somebody please. God damn, dog. That was rough, DJ, I'm not gonna lie. But hey, we're still above. We're still ahead. On camo, two.
That was rough, DJ. Yeah, no kills.
Yeah, I like getting stuffed up my ass from behind, if that wasn't clear with the ass comment. Call that Oreo double stuff, right? Cheek slapping. Grab camo, Tyler, I got your back. Alright, now I'm getting out of there. Now that you got camo. Damn, I fucking one hit him. Got him to one hit, I mean. Yeah, thank you, teammates.
Wow, dude. Hey, that's amazing that we pulled. That's
shit,
unbelievable, dude. That's unbelievable. That's so. So.
We came back from a 26 deficit, basically.
Dude, that is incredible.
53% accuracy, though. What up? You piece of shit, and you're always gonna be one. God damn.
Can you believe? I just can't even fucking believe how bad.
It's not great.
2-15 and 0-13, and we had to come that hard. That is something else right there. It really.
There in the end, brother. Good thing you were positive 20 and I was positive 10. That's all I can say. We made plus 30 between the two of us.
Jeez, bro.
Maybe instead of sticking with each other, we should stick with our other teammates.
That was wild. That's it. We just had to go. What do we have to do? We just won last game. 28-8. You were 28. Our teammates had 3-15 and 0-17. We won by 3 kills.
Hey, can you turn your mic up?
Yeah.
That was better. I was gonna say, all you can do is try, brother. All you can do is try.
Of course, I'm looking at something else.
Oh, yeah, I got sniper. I can shoot the. Oh, we already got it out. Nice. Alright, I'm going back by overshield so I can get my sniper on properly. These bitches are being shallow and pedantic. Oh, he's on bridge. He's on bridge. I missed my shot. Damn. Get him right in front of you, Ty.
Oh, damn it.
I broke him, but that was it. I love it when they jump in the air. He's got skewer right there. I'm out of sniper.
He's in there somewhere. Back up. Watch. I got you.
He's at the end of the hall. Camo and 8. He's
Get
gonna
it.
get
Get
camo
it.
from me. He's gonna get it from me.
No, he's not.
Guys, I got overshield and camo. That's what's up.
Do your thing.
God, I got cocky. I got cocky now. They have in this. It's on my body. I fucked that up, guys. Fuck that up, squad. Not just for me, for the whole team.
Rockets.
Did they say something about rockets?
I got him.
Can you get this fucking man-child off of me?
I'll try. Missed. That one hit.
Thank you, sir. 15 on rocket, I'm missing or on sniper, I'm missing the hangout for it. I think I saw a red dot up there. Yep. Yep. He's low. He's low up there. He's one hit with skewer.
Triple kill. Can I get it over? Yeah, I can. Oh, no. I had the fucking overkill right there, dude. He killed me. Damn. We're beating that ass on some Onyx and Diamond ass right now.
Yeah, that was what a shot, wasn't it? Thank you, boys. Voiceover guy. Camo up, camo up. I'm the Juggernaut, bitch.
I got one of those guys in there.
Skewer, watch skewer.
I'm going for Ovi.
on skewer again, skewer spot. Just stand still for a second for me, buddy. It's all I need is you to stand still. Thank you for standing still. Yo, get rockets, get rockets. The spawn flip, they're behind us now, get rockets.
Yeah, right to my X.
Run in there. Yeah, nice. They sniper down, good shit. Camo in 10. You piece of shit! Watch out, he's in the bunker, Tyler. He has you. Alright, I'm gonna get the skewer, take out that fucking ghost.
I'll get him.
Not if I get him first. There you go, that's how you do that. You wanna fucking play? We can play. You can fucking sit down to put one next to the seat.
Oh my god. Dude, we just wrecked both them kids. We're about to stake tack up Onyx and fucking 2 diamonds. We'll never get a good we'll never get a good team after this. You know that? If we win this game, we might as well quit this game. We'll never get a good team out. Correct.
I mean, we're gonna stake them, dog. We're not just gonna win. We're about to stake their ass. It's nice when our teammates actually get some kills. Woo, get switched
We just
on,
beat
bitch.
that ass.
Call that double dribble, son. I got rockets. I got rockets. Don't get him. Don't get him. Ah, you bitch.
Ah. Yeah, we're never getting good teammates again after this game. You know that, right?
Why do you say that? You just had to.
We just beat fucking. Yeah, that wasn't.
Oh. Damn. It is what it is, man. You want to take a quick little 5?